Welcome to visit our videos. Today I will introduce our profiles for the aluminium windows. Now here you can see, here have so many profiles for the aluminium window. For this one is for the casement windows. For now this is the thermal brick aluminiums. We have the heat-in solutions. Like this is non-thermal brick aluminiums. Now you can see for this part you can choose for the glass. We have like this is the DGU tempered glass. We also, if your homes have the children, we can customize like for safe use, have the laminate DGU tempered glass. We also can customize all the window sections you want. Someone like the casement window, one is for the sliding windows, vertical sliding, and the hung windows. We can customize which one you want and which one you like. Here is the sliding windows with the mesh. You could use in the balcony. Here is the hung windows. Here is the casement windows. These windows have two types to open. One is casement and one is for the hung windows. Here is the vertical sliding windows. You could use in the bathroom.